So, hello, I am Mark Joseph Barachina. My background really IT, no? So, in fact, I worked there for 20 years, and after working there for 20 years, I availed the early retirement program of our company. And while on career break, I not met because of Joe Ben, He influenced me to try real estate. So, doon ko rin na-discover that there is a degree pala, the BSREM. So, while on career break, this is around 2023, naisipan kong mag-enroll sa BSREM. So, I enrolled in Lyceum of Alabang as a secondary degree. So, I completed that for a year. And then December 2024, natapos yung course. And then I took the board April last year. And after I passed the board, so licensed broker na, dun pa lang ako nag-start mag-practice ng real estate. So it's only been like 9 months into practice. It really pays well. Sometimes nga minsan, pag nako-compare ko yung income when I was in IT, because I was an IT manager nung time ako nag-retire, and yung income as I started sa real estate, ang laki talaga ng difference. But I think the fulfillment is different. I think I already saturate my life working in IT, and I think it's a lot more fulfilling in sales. Kasi when I was in IT, several of my friends are telling me, Mark, I think we can see some potential of you in sales. So, finally, nandito na. Mukhang may galing din naman. Kagaya din nung sa IT. So, yeah.